Still sending reports like this? Hundreds of rows, endless scrolling, insights buried in messy spreadsheets. What if you could turn this messy data into a clean dashboard like this in just 15 minutes? Let me show you. Welcome to Excel Simplified Insights. In this video, you'll learn how to build a professional Excel dashboard. If you enjoy, please like, share and subscribe. By the end of this tutorial, you will build this fully interactive Excel dashboard. It shows sales by region, monthly revenue. Let's start building it step by step. Before creating any dashboard, most important step is clean data. Your dataset should always include clear column headers, no empty rows, consistent formatting. This is an example dataset and will act as a source data for our dashboard. Now let's convert this dataset into an Excel table. Select the entire dataset by pressing Ctrl+A, then press Ctrl+T. Excel converts the data into a structured table. Tables are extremely useful because when new data is added, the table automatically expands, which keeps dashboards dynamic. You can also apply a table style to make the data easier to read. Now let's create the first pivot table. Go to the Insert tab, click Pivot Table. Excel automatically selects the table as the source. Click OK. You will now see the Pivot Table Fields panel. This is where we begin generating insights from the data. First, let's create a region revenue summary. Drag region into the rows area and revenue into the values area. Excel instantly calculates the total revenue for each region. To improve readability, go to Design, Report Layout, Show in tabular form. Please like, share and subscribe to Excel Simplified Insights. Next, let's create a product revenue pivot table. Insert another pivot table. Drag product into rows and revenue into values. Again, switch the report layout to tabular form. Check out my channel for more Excel tips, tricks and automation. Please like, share and subscribe to Excel Simplified Insights, where I simplify Excel, amplify insights. Now let's build the salesperson performance pivot table. Insert another pivot table. Drag salesperson into rows and revenue into values. And once again, change the layout to tabular form. Finally, let's create a date-based pivot table. Insert another pivot table. Drag date into rows and revenue into values. This will help us analyze revenue trends over time. Please like, share and subscribe to Excel Simplified Insights. So now we have 4 pivot tables and rename the pivot headers. And in the next step, we'll turn these into visual charts that instantly reveal it. Now comes the exciting part. In the next few minutes, we'll transform these pivot tables into visual charts and KPI cards. And your dashboard will start taking shape. Stay with me. The final result looks really impressive. Let's begin converting our pivot tables into charts. Select the region pivot table. Go to Insert, Next, Bar Chart. Excel creates a region-wise revenue chart. Resize and position the chart neatly. Next, select the date pivot table. Insert a line chart. This chart clearly shows the monthly revenue trend. Now select the product pivot table. Go to Recommended Charts and insert a bar chart. This highlights the top performing products. Next, select the salesperson pivot table. Insert a pie chart. This shows how revenue is distributed across salespeople. Rename the charts. Revenue by region, monthly revenue trend. Revenue by product, revenue by salesperson. At this point, the main visuals of our dashboard are already ready. Next, we'll add KPI cards and interactive filters to make the dashboard look more professional. Check out my channel for more Excel tips, tricks, and automation. Please like, share, and subscribe to Excel Simplified Insights, where I simplify Excel, amplify insights. Now we'll create a KPI calculation table. Create two columns, KPI name, KPI value. We will calculate total revenue, total orders, average order value. Use the sum function for total revenue. Use count A to calculate total orders. Then divide revenue by orders to get average order value. Finally, format the numbers with 1000 separators. Now let's convert these values into visual KPI cards. Go to Insert, Shapes, and draw a rectangle. This will act as the background for the KPI card. Link the shape to the KPI value cell. Format the value using a large bold font. Add a text label such as Total Revenue, Total Orders, Average Order Value. Duplicate the design to maintain consistent formatting. Now let's assemble the dashboard. Copy the charts from the pivot sheet and paste them into the dashboard sheet. Arrange the KPI cards at the top and charts below them. Hide the calculation table and remove field buttons from the charts. Our dashboard layout is almost complete. And if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Excel Simplified Insights. Now we'll add the final feature that makes dashboards powerful: interactive slicers. Click a pivot chart. Go to Insert, Arrow, Slicer. Add slicers for region, product, salesperson. Arrange them neatly at the top of the dashboard. These slicers allow users to filter the entire dashboard instantly. Now let's test the dashboard. Click different regions or products. Notice how all the charts update automatically. This is what makes dashboards interactive and insightful. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tutorials.
Thanks for watching Excel Simplified Insights. Simplify Excel, amplify insights. See you in the next video.